is snowing, and I don't think I'm ready for this, guys, because it's really, really windy out there, which means it's cold. So I'm just gonna go out and hopefully, oh, it's not that bad. Oh, oh, oh. It is snowing. You guys probably can't see it. I'm just walking to the car. Oh my goodness, no. Anyways, today's video is sponsored by my mom. Got you. Yeah, my mom got me these boots a while back, and these leg warmers, I just didn't know how to wear them, but honestly this morning, I don't care how it looks, keep me warm. Okay, that's the main key, warmness. So I started a car already, so it should be a little warm. Oh my god, it's crazy. And the leg warmers, the lady gets it's too cold out here. Oh, oh. I always lock the doors when I get in the car. Don't forget, lock your doors when you get in your car. Never know who's following you. Well, guys, it's really bad out, and I'm starting to think that this snow is actually like a snowstorm. I think I was vlogging here. Yeah, I'm starting to think that outside is really bad. So guys, yeah, that mount was actually a fail. I should have already left home. It's 6:40. I don't know what I was doing inside for so long, but I might have to come back out the car to get my snow duster. Yeah, I might have to come out to get the snow duster because the back is snowed. I'm sorry guys, I'm just trying to find some lip gloss for these dry lips. Oh, please stay, please stay. Okay, so it's on my steering wheel, and this is not the lip gloss I want. I have like a whole lip gloss pouch here. This is not it either. Where's my lip gloss? I guess I'll use this one. This one is, I don't even know, but I love all these lip gloss from NYX. It's the best. Don't worry, Chanel. When you come, girl, we go in here. Don't care what the guys say. We're going to spend 2 hours in this store because this is my store. Oh, see, I need some lip gloss. This one here is almost finished. When the guys come, when the guys come, when you guys come, we go and me and you, girl date to NYX. Yeah, I'm just trying to find some lip gloss. That one there was dry up. Oh, there we go. Oh, moisture. Yeah. I don't know if I want to really come out this car again to go to the back, because I can't drive with this big jacket. So Brandon, this is what you wanted. I'm definitely swapping places with you. Oh my god, how I'm opening right now. Yeah. Alright, take care. Woo. Yeah, back to you, Brandon. This is what you want? You sure? I'll definitely swap places. I would love to live in Jamaica and go to the beach every single day. Alright, let me tow out. Guys, I left this car for 5 minutes. Alright, I'll show you. I have to flip the camera, guys, and look at this. Not even 5 minutes. Look at this already. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. It's really heavy today. It's a lot of snow. I have to like put this on in high mode. It's really bad, especially out here in Long Island. It's really bad, guys. Ugh. I'm like thinking, this is my car. My baby is covered. But yeah, I'm gonna shovel and dust away my put my gloves on here. Oh, my hands are brick. So guys, I have my little handy dandy brush. Gotta go and have a little shovel. Oh, you had that good stuff. Oh, see that. Hi guys, so our supervisor sent us home early so we could leave. I'm here in the supermarket thinking what could I pick up, maybe to have in the house, snack or whatever. So I'm here in the frozen section, maybe some veggies. Let's see. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is basically a snowed in day. Went to work and supervisor or manager sent us home. Boss sent us home, so drive to go to work, snowed in, drive to come back home. Kind of crazy. My car was sliding a couple times. My face just breaking up. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I just tried to like vlog like my day today with this snow. It was really bad, especially out in Long Island. It was really crazy. So I'm glad I made it home safely, and I hope everyone else made it home safely if you was out there. But thanks for watching. But yeah, really simple vlog, nothing fancy. So thanks guys for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.